Welcome everybody, how are you? We will complete the questions about derivative. Look at this example. He asked about the equation. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve y equal root of 4x power 2 plus 9 as the point where x equal 2. Who can solve it? First, we can find the derivative of this function about x. Okay, we find the tangent. We can find the tangent, it's meaning derivative of the function, okay, such that y dash equal, what is about this function? We can find the derivative of this function, write 2 in denominator multiply by square root about 4x power 2 plus 9 multiply by the derivative of this function will be 8x. We can drop this power here, multiply 4 equal 8 and subtract 1 from this power. Okay, it's the derivative of this function. Okay, so we can find y dash when x equal to, let x equal to in this example, so y dash equal 2 multiply 8 equals 16, or can cancel 2 multiplied by 2 here, so we can write 8 here and cancel 2 with 2. So the result will be 4 multiplied by 4 equals 16 plus 9 equal 25. 8 equal 8 over 25 under the root. So the result will be 8 over 5. You want to find the equation about the tangent. We find the slope. And when x equal 2, we can find y. Such that x equal 2, then y equal, right to here, 4 times 4 equals 16. 16 plus 9 equal 25. Square root of 25 equal 5. So this curve passing through the point 2 and 5. So we can find the equation y subtract by 5 over x subtract by 2 equals the slope. Slope was 8 over 5. And we can simplify it by find the result about the product of extremes equals the product of means. 8 multiplied by x equal 8x subtract by 8 times 2 equals 16 equal 5 by y equal 5y subtract 25. 8x subtract by 5y equal negative 25 subtract or positive, it will be positive because we move it from left hand side to right hand side plus 16. So we can write 8x subtract 5y equal negative 9. So the result will be 8x subtract 5y equal negative 9. It's the equation. You want to find the result or derivative about product. We have product rule about multiply two fraction, such that y equal x power 2 sine x. We have to term multiply x power 2 and sine x. The rule we can write the first here multiply by the derivative about second will be cosine x plus the second multiply by the derivative about first will be 2x. So y dash will be equal x power 2 cosine x plus 2x sine x. Okay, another example, y equal cosine x multiplied by square root of 3x plus 1. We have two expressions here, geometric function and square root, and we want to find the derivative of this function. The derivative will be, we can write the first here cosine x multiplied by square root about this number. We can find the derivative of the square root multiply 2 here multiply by 2, and derivative about this expression will be 3 plus the second multiply by derivative about the first will be negative sine x, and then the result will be 3 over 2. We can write outside here its coefficient about this function cosine x over square root of 3x plus 1 plus we can write negative sine x here. We can write it negative because negative multiply positive equal negative. Negative sine x multiply by square root of 3x plus 1. It's okay. Now we solve questions about quotient rule. What about y equal u over v? We can y derivative here of y. We can write v power 2, v multiply u dash, subtract v dash multiply u. Okay, it's the rule. We will solve a question about this rule. Okay, you must keep in your mind this rule about quotient rule. Look at this example. Y equal x power 2 plus 2 over 3x power 2 subtract 5. Want to find the derivative of the function. We can write derivative here. This denominator in brackets power 2. And we can write this denominator here, 3x power 2 subtract by 5, multiply by derivative of the numerator will be 2x, subtract the numerator, right, x power 2 plus 2, multiply by derivative of the denominator will be 6x. So y dash equal what? We can write here 3x power 2 subtract 5 power 2, and we can simplify this expression. 2x multiply 3x equals 6, x power 3 subtract 5 times 5 equal 10, x subtract 6x multiply x power 2, 6x power 3 subtract 2 times 6 equal 12 x, and we can cancel this term. We have similar 6x power 3 and 6x power 3, and we have negative and positive. We can cancel two terms here because the difference is a sign. So y dash equal negative 10 and negative 12 equal negative 22. 22x over 3x power 2 subtract 5 power 2, which is the result about this example. Okay, look at another example. Y equal 10x over x power 3 subtract by 4. Again, 10x over x power 3 subtract by 4. We can find the derivative. This denominator, x power 3 subtract 4 power 2, and we can write this denominator here, multiply by derivative of 10 will be sec power 2, sec power 2x, subtract the numerator 10x, multiply by derivative about denominator equal 3x power 2. It's okay, and we can replace it here. We can replace it, sec power 2x multiply by x power 3 subtract by 4, subtract 3x power 2, 10x over x power 3 subtract by 4 all power 2. Look at this example. We want to find the derivative about multiplication about e power 2x plus 1 multiplied by sine power 3x. We can find the derivative here. Write the first, e power 2x plus 1, the first, multiply by derivative about second. We can drop power here, and we can write 2 here, subtract 1 from 3, and then we can find the derivative about sine will be cosine. Okay, plus we can write the second here, sine power 3x multiplied by derivative about the first, e power 2x plus 1 multiply by derivative about this expression here will be 2. So the result will be y dash equal, we can simplify it, repeat it, all term here, right, 3 sine power 2x cosine x multiplied by e power 2x plus 1 plus 2, right, coefficient 2 outside here, multiplied by sine 3x multiplied by e power 2x plus 1. This is the result about this question. Okay, about this example. Y equal ln of x power 2 over x power 2 plus 1. We can find the derivative of the function. We must using the rule. This denominator we must write it here, power 2, and write this denominator here. Dot derivative of this function we can write what we can write this function in denominator x power 2 plus 1, and derivative about this denominator will be 2x. Okay, subtract this power ln of x power 2 plus 1 multiply by derivative of this function equal 2x. Okay, again, denominator power 2, denominator multiply derivative about numerator, subtract the numerator right here, multiply derivative about denominator, and we can simplify it, cancel this expression with expression. So y dash equal 2x subtract by 2x multiply by ln of x power 2 plus 1 over x power 2 plus 1 all power 2. Okay, you know all steps or not? You must keep in your mind the rule and write it in your notebook to know all steps. Now we want to solve this derivative of function equal expression. We can find the derivative about multiplication about two function x power 3 plus 3x power 2 multiply ln x. We can write the first here multiply by derivative about second equal 1 over x, plus we can write the second ln of x multiply by derivative about the first 3x power 2 plus 6x equal derivative of this function will be 4x plus 5, and we can simplify that x power 3 divided by x equal x power 2, 3x power 2 divided by x equal 3x plus ln of x multiply by 3x power 2, 3x power 2 plus 6x, 3x. We can write 3 outside here. The result will be x power 2 plus 2x. Okay, plus 2x. Okay, we will complete it here. We can find the result 3x power 2. Never mind, we can write this expression 3x power 2 plus 6x equal 4x plus 5. We can simplify it. We can subtract this expression from this expression. So ln of x multiply by 3x power 2 plus 6x equal this expression, subtract this expression 4x plus 5 subtract by x power 2 subtract 3x. Then ln of x multiply by 3x power 2 plus 6x equal 4x subtract 3x equal x, and we have 5 subtract x power 2. We have 5x here, okay, 5x subtract again, it was 2x power 2 plus 5x. This expression equal 2x power 2, 2x power 2 plus 5x. Expression want to find derivative. No, we want to find derivative about this expression. We'll write this expression here, 2x power 2 plus 5x, 2x power 2 plus 5x. So we can write here 2x power 2 plus 5x. 2x power 2 plus x power 2, it will be negative. Okay, 2x power 2, it will be 2x power 2 subtract x power 2 equal x power 2. 5x subtract 3x equal 2x, and we can find the result here, ln of x equal x power 2 plus 2x over 3x power 2 plus 6x. We can simplify it, write 3 in the numerator here outside. The result will be x power 2 plus 2x over 3 multiply x power 2 plus 2. We can 3 outside, ln of x. We can cancel this expression with this expression, 1 over 3. So ln of x equal 1 over 3. Ln of x, it's meaning what? E power third equal x. It's meaning e power third over e equal 1 over 3 equal x. Because ln of x, it's right, make about e of x. So e power third equal x. Because ln x It's meaning logarithmic for natural number e for x. So e power third equal x.